Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope all of you are doing good. This is your biology ma'am, Raisa Rozana Khan, and in today's video we are going to talk about the 13th chapter of your syllabus, that is chapter 8.2, page 118 and 119 from your book, named as flowers. Okay guys, so there are many different types of flowers. Some are scented and have colors. On the other hand, some are unscented like grasses. They have unscented green flowers. And the largest flowers in the world are white in color and have muddy brown spots over them, and the size is about 90 centimeter across, and their origin is from a foul smelling lily of Southeast Asia. Okay, now let's look into parts of flowers. So flowers usually have carpels, stamens, petals and sepals. If you look at the picture, you can easily see the parts, and in the next few slides we will learn about these parts in more details. So starting with carpels, carpels are, flowers also have sex organs, and carpels are the female reproductive organs which can be found at the center of the flower, and all of them consist of a hollow base called ovary which contains a single ovule. And most importantly, the ovule is where the female sex cells are. Eventually the ovule becomes a fruit. The ovary becomes a fruit just to protect the ovule, which later becomes a seed. And if you focus on the picture, you would see just above the ovary there is a narrow style which ends in a stigma, and during pollination pollen grains sticks around to the stigma. Okay guys, now let's look into the male reproductive organs. Well, the stamens are the male reproductive organs. Usually they are arranged in a ring around the carpels, and they have an anther which consists of a stalk bearing, and each anther is made up of 4 pollen sacs in which pollen grains are which are male sex cells are grown. Okay, let's move on to petals now. Well, most of the flowers usually have petals, and the carpels and stamens are surrounded by a ring of petals. Usually flowers have colored and scented petals, and the base have a nectary which produces the sugary nectar of the flower. Lastly, let's talk about the sepals. Well, these are the as you can see in the picture, are small green leaves that are found at the outer part of many flowers. Their main function is when the flowers or the flower's bud is at the development stage. They usually enclose and protect the flower during that time. Alright guys, so that is the end of the chapter. Thank you so much for your attention. Inshallah we will meet in the next class. Allah Hafiz.